Hello. Yes. Today we'll start exercise 13.1. Question number 5. Exercise
तो ये बहुत ज्यादा ब्राइट कलर मतलब दिख नहीं रहा है।
exercise 13.1. Question number 5th. Okay. A photograph of bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeters. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged, एक्चुअल में उसकी लेंथ इतनी नहीं है, ये enlarge हुआ है 50,000 times, attains a length of 5 centimeter as shown in the diagram. What is the actual length of the bacteria? Actual length of bacteria. Actual length of bacteria. Of bacteria. Okay. 5 centimeter divided by 50,000. 50,000 centimeter. Okay. 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4 centimeter. Any doubt, any problem? Any doubt, any problems?
No sir.
Okay, yes. Enlarged length and photograph enlarged. Photograph enlarged. Now we have to find out what would be its enlarged length if it becomes 20,000 times only. Photograph enlarged. Photograph enlarged. And enlarged length. Enlarged length. Okay. Photograph enlarged and enlarged length. 50,000 times. Its enlarged length is 5 centimeter. Okay. If it becomes 20,000 times, 20,000 times, then its enlarged length becomes, please tell me, 55,000, now 50,000 photograph enlarged and enlarged length is 5 centimeters. If it becomes 20,000 times, then enlarged length will also decrease. If this decrease, it also decrease. So it will be in direct proportion or inverse proportion. Direct proportion. It is a direct proportion. It is in direct proportion. It is in a direct proportion. Direct proportion. If it is in direct proportion, now 50,000 by 5 is equal to 20,000 by x. Okay, now 5. Okay, yes, now 10,000 x is equal to 20,000. Okay, now we will find out the value of x. The value of x will be 20,000 divided by 10,000, and the actual length is 2 centimeter. Okay, now enlarged length will be 2 centimeter. Enlarged length will be 2 centimeter. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Do it fast.
Sir, completed.
Okay, very good. Okay, yes. Question number 7. Question number 7. Suppose 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 raised to power 6 crystals. ठीक ना? Quantity of sugar. Quantity किसमें है? In kg. And number of crystals. First part. Number of crystals. Okay, quantity in kg, number of crystals. 2 kg of sugar. 2 kg of sugar. Number of crystal is number of crystal 9 into 10 raised to power 6. 9 into 10 raised to power 6. In 5 kg of sugar, number of crystal will be more or less. If sugar is increased from, listen to me, if sugar is increased from 2 kg to 5 kg, and in 2 kg number of crystals are 9 into 10 raised to power 6, then number of crystal will be increased or decreased?
Increase.
Okay.
Sir, increase.
If the sugar is increased, number of crystal will be increased. So it is direct proportion or inverse proportion?
Direct proportion.
Direct proportion. Very good.
Sir, direct proportion.
Direct proportion. Very good. In direct proportion. In direct proportion. 2 upon 9 into 10 raised to power 6 and 5 by x. 5 by x. Okay. Now 2 into x. 5 into 9 into 10 raised to power 6. 5 into 9 into 10 raised to power 6. So x is equal to 45 into 10 raised to power 6 divided by 2. It becomes 22.5 into 10 raised to power 6 crystals. Okay, in standard form, the decimal will shift from this side. Okay, and it becomes 2.25 into 10 raised to power 1 and 10 raised to power 6. Now it becomes 2.25 into 10 raised to power 7 crystals. Okay. 2.25 into 10 raised to power 7 crystals.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
In chapter number 12, we have already studied about the standard form. 22.5 is not in standard form, and this value 2.25 is in the one between 1 and 10. ओके, मैंने आपको चैप्टर नंबर 12 में बताया था कि स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं, बताया था मैंने आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ, यस, डू इट फास्ट.
We're done.
ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Rasmi had a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 18 kilometer. She drives on a road of 72 kilometer. What would a distance covered in the map? Distance in map. Distance in map. In centimeter. In centimeter. Actual distance. Actual distance. In kilometer. In kilometer. One centimeter is equal to 18 kilometer. Okay, she drives on road 72 kilometer. What is the distance on map? Please tell me. Distance covered in the map. We have to find out. If this is 18 kilometer and 18 kilometer increase to 72 kilometer, so distance on map will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Both values are increased, so it is in direct proportion. So it is in direct proportion. It is in a direct proportion. Direct proportion. It is in direct proportion. इसमें ये direct proportion है. Direct proportion. Okay. Now y 1 by 18 is equal to x by 72. Cross multiplication 18 into x is equal to 72 and x is equal to 72 divided by 18. So x is equal to 4 centimeter. X is equal to 4 centimeter. So distance on map is 4 centimeter. Therefore distance on map map 4 centimeter. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Ninth question.
No, sir.
Question number 9. Question number 9. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole cast a shadow 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Find the same time the length of shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high. The height of pole which cast a shadow 5 centimeter long. Height of vertical pole and length of shadow. Question number 9. First thought. Height of vertical pole height of vertical pole. Height of vertical pole is is in meter, is in meter. And length of shadow, length of shadow, length of shadow in a meter, in meter. Okay. Height of vertical pole, अगर if height of vertical pole is 5 meter 60 centimeter, 5.60, and length of shadow is 3 meter 20 centimeter. Find at the same time the length of shadow. Length of shadow we have to find out. Okay. Another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high. 10 meter 50 centimeter high. The length of shadow will be length. Height of vertical pole 5 meter 60 centimeter. Length of shadow is 3 meter 20 centimeter. If height of vertical pole becomes 10 meter 50 centimeter, length of shadow will be increase or decrease? If height of vertical pole increase, then length of shadow will be increase or decrease? It means both values will be increased. So it is in direct proportion. It is in direct proportion.
Yes, sir.
In direct proportion. Proportion 5.60 divided by 3.20 is equal to 10.50 divided by x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Solve it.
Yes, sir.
डेसिमल जो है उसको बनाएंगे, ये 100 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 320, यहाँ पे 100. ओके. नाउ 1015 डेसिमल हटाएंगे जब 100 हो गया, ये x. ओके. नाउ 100 to 100 कैंसिल आउट. 560 into 100 into x, cross multiplication, and 1050 into 320. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Okay. Now x is equal to 1050 multiplied 320 divided by 560 multiplied 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 8 7s are 56. Five to 40, 5 to 21. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 6 centimeter. X is equal to 6 centimeter. If height of vertical pole increase 10.50 meter, then length of shadow becomes 6 centimeter. Length of shadow will be 6 meter. 6 meter.